Hi everyone, my name is Jessie Crawford and I graduated with the class of 2014 from DePaul's College of Communication, and welcome to Alumni Experts. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a perfect, delicious old-fashioned because I just truly love drinking cocktails all the time. And I also, along with my partner, who is also a DePaul alumni, John, started a company called Aged Infused. We make alcohol infusion kits. What is an alcohol infusion kit, you ask? This is an alcohol infusion kit. So we basically give you all natural fruits and spices in this really pretty 16-ounce jar. We also make a custom filtering pour spout. So all you have to do is add your spirits into this jar, let it sit for about a week or so, and it infuses a really nice all-natural flavor into your spirit. We were just getting sick of kind of overly sweet, artificial flavors in our cocktails, so wanted to create something that is both interactive and kind of DIY, but renders just a really delicious, natural tasting spirit. We started the company back in 2016. I'm currently working on it full-time, which is really exciting. I've been doing that for the past year or so, and we love it. So without further ado, for the old-fashioned, the ingredients that we're going to be using: a little bit of orange peel. Again, we're going to be using one of our infusion kits. It was our very first one that we created. It's called Navel Gazer. So it includes orange, cinnamon, and clove, and we're infusing it with whiskey. We're going to do a little bit of bitters, a cherry, and then a sugar cube. And if you don't have a sugar cube, like a dash of sugar is fine. And if you don't have that, simple syrup's fine. We're not fancy. So the first step of the old-fashioned process is the one that I am not very good at, which is using a vegetable peeler or just like a little paring knife to peel a strip of orange peel off. Oh my god, Bubbly, look at that. You know what? That's fine. It's perfect. So we're going to take our little orange peel, and you're just going to start by rubbing it on the inside of your glass. This is just going to release some of the oils and aroma from the orange peel that will give the drink a really nice flavor. Then you're just going to plop that at the bottom. You're going to take your sugar cube, throw that at the bottom of the glass, and then just 2 dashes of bitters. Old fashions are fun because you can use a flavored bitter if you want. This is just going to be straightforward, kind of everyday bitters that you can find at the store. And then you're going to muddle all of these together. If you don't have a muddler, that's totally fine. You can just use like a spoon or whatever you have and just kind of mix this all together. And this is just going to combine those flavors and release more of that orange aroma for your drink. Perfect. So then from there, we're going to add this really kind of obnoxiously large ice cube that makes a drink look much fancier than it actually is. So we're going to throw that in there. And then we're going to add 2 ounces of our infused whiskey. But again, if you just want to use whiskey, bourbon, rye, anything that you have on your bar cart, it'll be delicious. So we're just going to pour that straight in. Looks lovely. And then we're going to stir it for, oh my god, we're going to stir it for about 10 seconds or so, just to get all those ingredients at the bottom of the glass mixed in with the whiskey. Perfect. And looks lovely. And then finally, we're going to put a little cherry garnish in it. And voila. So with that, you have arguably the best cocktail of all time. And if you want more information on Aged and Infused, you can find our full selection of infusion kits and a little bit more of a background on John and I at agedandinfused.com. We also post a series of weekly cocktail recipes on our Instagram page, so we're at Aged and Infused, and you'll likely see us at some markets and whatnot around the city, so please come say hi. Go Blue Demons!